Hi, this is Miss Hina Imran from Learn and Explore 360. Hope you're doing okay. Today I have brought this helping tool that is going to make your children learn and distinguish between noun, verbs and adjective. It's a very simple activity and everything can be found at home. You don't need to go out and buy stuff. It's pretty easy and keeps the child occupied. All right, so I have this empty paint box I've made this a box, and I had the popsicles where I have written different nouns, verbs, adjectives, all like this. And then I made cups labeling verbs, adjective and noun. Let's start. All right. What's the first word? Walk. Walk is a verb. So I'm going to put it in the verb section. Umbrella. Noun. Soft. Adjective. Sweet. Adjective. Happy. Adjective. Table. Noun. Sing. Verb. So you get the point. So this is how you are going to distinguish or separate verbs, adjectives and nouns, and the child can keep themselves busy like this.